How to invite friends in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can invite friends in Monopoly Go. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now to invite your friends in Monopoly Go, after you launch the game, just tap on the friends icon located from the bottom right hand side of the screen. And when you do that, you'll find all these options, and here towards the bottom again you can see this option called invite. So all you have to do is tap on this green button that says invite, and there are many ways to invite. You can invite someone via Facebook if you have linked your Facebook account, or you can tap on this invite button, which then you can copy the link. And once you've copied the link of your invitation, you can send this link to anybody, and when they sign up on Monopoly Go using the invitation link that you provided, both of you will be able to gain some rewards. And this way you will be able to invite friends in Monopoly Go. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon as always in the next video.